In this section, we have to classify if two events are mutually exclusive or not mutually exclusive. So two events A and B are mutually exclusive if they cannot occur at the same time. So there's no overlap. And two events A and B are not mutually exclusive if they can occur at the same time. So there is some overlap. So for questions 1 through 3, it says, are the following events mutually exclusive? So number 1 says a card is a 4 or a 5. So a card cannot be a 4 and a 5 at the same time. So yes, these are mutually exclusive. Number 2 says a card is red or a king, and a card can be red and a king at the same time. So this is no. And number 3 says a card is black or a 7. So a card can be black and a 7 at the same time. So this is no.